What's up everyone, Jake here, back with more model unboxings and reviews. This time we got a bunch of models here. We got two NG, we have a Phoenix Models and a Panda Models. So let's get right into it. We got the Allegiant, the Lot Polish, American One World, and Air Canada 787-9 Dreamliner. We'll go ahead and start with the Allegiant and the Lot, so we'll move the two NGs out of the way. I'm gonna start with this little guy. So this was a RM Model Store exclusive, I believe. Panda Models, the Allegiant A319, and they did an A320 as well. I just picked up the 319. I didn't bother with the 320 this time, but let's go ahead and open it up. I've seen some people get this broken, so let's hope mine isn't broken. We'll go ahead though and check it out. I have not actually looked at this at all, so I'm just hoping for the best. Dang, doesn't want to open up. There we go. Try not to mess up the box too much. Alright, so there's the model. Looks pretty good. I don't know what the heck that little thing is in there. Maybe some dirt. Everything looks alright. So hope for the best. Hope for the best here. There we go. Alright. Open it up here. Take it out the box. Yeah, everything is all good. It's all intact. Fantastic. So, not sure what happened with those other guys. I know Panda Models is a little here and there, on and off here and there, but here we have it. The Panda Models are a Model Store exclusive Allegiant A319, November 334, November Victor. So, very happy to have this 319 in the fleet. So here we have, looking at the cockpit right there, we have 334 right there on top, and there's a little 334, should be a little 334 right on the nose, no, okay, right above the cockpit windows there. You have Allegiant titles with this little sun. You got the nose gear there, looking great, 334 on that. Some good details all around here at the front. All the various static ports, etc., etc. Got the engines looking pretty good. Some good detail on them. Looking nice. This side and whatnot. Got the antenna up there at the front, obviously. Moving along, got the little beacon marking. Overwing exit, so the two of them, and then the overwing exit markings on the wing there. Got the gear looking good, the winglets, wingtip fences. They're just focused, darn it. Oh well. You can see them there. Got the registration here at the back, 334 November Victor. And then the door at the back, and then the sun on the tail. So very nice, looking good. I like how this looks. This is a good mold. I gotta say, you know, compared to some of the Gemini Jets ones, oh, this engine looks a little bit bent down. Yeah, that's a little bent, unfortunately. You can see that. That's unfortunate. I don't know if I'll be able to bend that back up or not. That is a little crooked. Yep, that will not bend back up. It's a little flexible, but it won't go back up, so that's unfortunate. That's quite a bit of a down. I didn't really notice it when I looked at it this way, but it's definitely noticeable from the side here, unfortunately. Got the forward baggage door, and then the aft baggage door there. Same titles and everything on this side. So that's just unfortunate about that engine. So that's probably the only quality control issue that with this one, at least the wing and all the pieces are attached. It's just that engine's kind of bent down. This one doesn't really look too bent down, but that one is definitely bent, and there's not really much I can do about it. So, it is what it is. But overall, very nice model. Not too bad at all. I'm happy to have it in the collection. You know, just a small issue there, so not too bad. Take a look at the underneath, very just plain simple. So yeah, we'll move that one to the side, and we'll go ahead and open up the Lot Polish by Phoenix Models. So first Lot Polish in my collection, the 787-8. This is a special livery. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. It's in Polish. It's got the little heart on it on the front and on the side. I have no idea what it says. And you know, just so I don't sound like a fool and butcher it, I'm not gonna bother trying to pronounce it or anything. But this is a special livery one. Don't know when this was released. I can only assume quite a while ago. Yeah, picked this up from Waffle Collectibles from a collection sale, and it's just nice to have Lot Polish in the collection finally. Hopefully one day we'll get like a plain Dash 8 or just a normal livery Dash 9. I can get both, so I'll have some just normal livery ones, but for now this will do. So yeah, anyway, let's open it up, check it out. Super excited. Alright, so here we have model. Alrighty. There we go. Some plastic underneath, but none on top. All the gear is there. Everything's looking good with that. Fantastic. Alright. Looking good. Looking good. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Lot Polish Airlines 787-8 with the special livery. So they're part of the Star Alliance. So you got Romeo Bravo there under the cockpit windows. Got the little heart with the special, as part of the special livery. With some Polish in it. Star Alliance logo, L1 door. Just moving along, got the lot titles. Lot Polish Airlines titles. Got the lot there on the Rolls-Royce engines, looking really nice. Solid fan blades and everything. Got the good markings there and everything. Wings, bit of an older, at least as you can see with the older, with like the Phoenix Models mold, a bit of a flex wing situation, but still not too bad. Not too bad. And there's that heart with the special there at the back. Dreamliner. Registration Sierra Papa Lima Romeo Bravo. 787-8 there at the back, and you have the little baggage door for the bulk bin on this side. And then you'll see the main cargo doors on the other side. Here you have the Polish logo there at on the tail, looking really nice. On this side, same thing mirrored from the other side. You have the main cargo door there, and the aft, and then there's the forward cargo door right there. So yeah, very nice model. We'll take a look at the head on. The engine's looking really nice. Everything's looking good. You can see those wings are flexed up. But that's the Phoenix Models 77-8 mold. Just how it is. It's not too bad. Gemini Jets has honestly been worse in the past with their flex wings. This isn't too bad. But as I say, it would be nice to eventually get just a standard livery, no special, a Lot Polish 787-8 and -9. But there you have it. Very plain and simple, no markings or anything on the wings. So yeah, very nice model. Very happy to have this new airline in my collection. So we'll move it off to the side and get to the two NGs now. So we'll start with the most recent release and my newest model in a sense out of this, the American Airlines One World from the March 2022 releases. So this is November 838 November. I have November, I think it's 919 November. That's the other One World aircraft. That's Gemini Jets one that was released. So nice. It's nice to have both One Worlds now. I did not end up getting the other American that they released in the March one, the one with the like logo on the wing lit. I don't know, I just didn't bother. Maybe in the future I'll get one. Just, I don't know, we'll see how many get painted with it. I think personally, I don't think it looks good. I think it's kind of tacky how they did it. Could have been so much better, or so much more professionally like done in a sense. I feel like they just kind of slapped it on there and said, that's how it's gonna be. But anyway, so here's the One World one, looking nice. And funny enough, I don't know if anyone's really caught this. I'm just catching this now, actually, after having this model sit here for a little bit. But this box must have been for something else, so they didn't check it properly, because Bravo-838 November instead of November 838 November, like they have right here. I thought that was kind of funny that they did that. They have it at the top there too. Yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead and open up. So this should come with the card in it. So I'm excited. Oh, yes. Oh no, it didn't. That's interesting. Huh. Well, that's weird. So this doesn't have like the little card for the collectors. Well, that's odd. Yeah, nothing. Huh. I thought these were supposed to be coming with them. But anyway, that's odd. I'd have to contact NG about that. So yeah, here we have the model, and the thing looks alright. Let's go ahead and open it up, take it out. Hopefully it's all good. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's the model. Let me just make sure all is well. That's good. That's all good. It looks like the wings, there's a bit of a gap right there. It's kind of hard to see. So it looks like it was slightly detached, but it's actually glued in there, so it's not loose or anything, so that's fine. But anyway, let's get to the details here. So here we have it, American Airlines, One World. So we got the One World logo right there next to the door, member of One World, American Airlines. Titles there. Got some, got the markings right there on the gear door and everything, kind of moving along. Got the engines, little antennas, Wi-Fi box, everything. Looking really good. This mold, fantastic by NG. Really nice, I think, in my opinion. Much better than any of the Gemini Jets ones. So, yeah, got the American flag at the back here, registration 838 November, with 3FR down at the bottom there. I think that's like the ship, sort of like ship number, tail number, something like that. I can't exactly remember, but something unique to identify each aircraft. And then you got the American flag there, like the red, gray, and blue on the tail. New livery. On this side, same thing, just got the little baggage doors right there, and right at the back there. So, very nice model. Glad to have this in my collection. I'm just kind of weirded. It's just kind of weird that the packaging, like the box, the model didn't come with that collector's card. So I'm not sure if they just didn't put it in, if it slipped out from maybe under the packaging. I'm not sure. Just kind of weird. Because knowing this is this is a March 2022 release, should have it, because considering they've launched that program and other models have been coming with it. So anyway, no biggie though, it's just one model. But there you have it, guys. So there's the American Airlines One World 737 by NG. We'll put this off to the side, and we'll get to the final model, which is the NG Models Air Canada 77-9. Now this is from August 2021. Took me a while to get this. I just had to save up a little bit to get it. But this isn't just a standard livery. I did not get the Team Canada one. I just picked this one up though, because it's plain new livery. So here we have the box. Registration Charlie Foxtrot Romeo Tango Golf CFRTG. And there's the box. Classic NG box art and everything. Oh, here's me. And the reflection. Alright, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Uh-oh. Dang, I ripped the box. That's frustrating. Shoot. Oh well. It's not the end of the world. Don't plan on getting rid of this small anyway, so I just have to tape that up. But alright, here we have them all in the plastic sort and styrofoam packaging, so we'll take it out. Move that. Gotta be very careful. I'm always scared of pulling it out of this. There we have it. Beautiful, all intact, no issues, fantastic. Alright, so here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful model. Alright, readjust this a little bit, here we go. Alright, got the nice little bandit sort of cockpit windows, that black stripe around it looks really nice. I love how they do it. I love how it looks on Air Canada. Got the Starline so good there. The Air Canada Maple Leaf logo. Nose gear there with 849 on it. Air Canada titles. Moving along, got the antennas on the top and the Wi-Fi dome. Nice engines, looking really nice. This mold is fantastic. NG always does a really good job with these 787s. The wings looking really nice. Everything's looking great. Moving along, got the Canadian flag at the back there. Dreamliner 787-9. Got the bulk bin door and the L3 and 4 exits. Got the Air Canada logo here at the tail. Then that 849 on the top of the tail, like the ship number. And this side, moving along, we got the aft cargo door there, and then the forward cargo door here. Looking really nice. That nice black livery, and then underneath you got the logo too. Just like that. So that's pretty much it for this model as well. Very simple, but really nice looking. Very nice indeed. So that's going to conclude this round of model unboxings and reviews. We got the two NGs, and then we have the lot and the little Allegiant right here. So some fantastic models. I highly recommend any of them. If you can get them, for sure pick them up. Great models. Mix from RM Model Store, Waffle Collectibles, and Panda Fox Toys, like their model store. So yep. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for more model unboxing videos coming out every Monday. Hope you all enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.